VST stock analysis and VST stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? We'll just watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. So Vistra stock, I see a 13% decrease in price. Context, I've done 36,000 videos. I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, and I've seen what's working for me and what's not. That being said, with VST, I mean, I just see a pretty bullish market here. All I'm really looking to do is just double down this long side. But when I say I want to double down and just buy, this pretty much means that I'm open-minded for buys. This does not necessarily mean that I'm just going to pull the trigger and buy anywhere. No. Big no. But this does mean that if I see the rules met and then, you know, I'm looking to take things out, which is surefire thing to do. But if my rules are not met, I'm just not going to buy. Like, people are overcomplicating this stuff, but it's really not that. It's really not that thing. It's not that difficult. So let me know what is your opinion, and if you want to make more money trading in a simple yet very lean way, you can just click the first link in the description. You'll find a lot of sauce there.